In today's video, I'm going to show you the truth about the Superbox S6 Max, an Android TV box that promises access to live TV, movies, sports, and even pay-per-view events without a monthly cable bill. At first glance, it sounds like the perfect way to cut costs, but there are some serious things you should know before considering it. For starters, fake Superbox devices are everywhere. Many people have spent hundreds on knockoffs from places like Walmart or TikTok shops, only to end up with boxes that don't work at all. Even the genuine devices aren't always reliable. Users have reported constant reboots, frozen screens, and remotes that stop responding. On top of that, customer support is notoriously difficult to reach, leaving you stuck if issues come up. Security is another big concern. The Superbox runs on a modified version of Android and often relies on apps that bypass standard safety checks, which could put your home network at risk of malware or other vulnerabilities. And while the device can stream tons of content, using it in unauthorized ways could attract attention from your internet provider. That said, not everyone has a negative experience. Some users rave about saving money, enjoying great picture quality, and having access to endless content. For people who are tech savvy and know how to secure their network, it might feel like a worthwhile investment. Still, if you want something reliable, safe, and fully legal, the Superbox S6 Max probably isn't your best option. There are more secure streaming choices available, with proper support and fewer risks. But if you don't mind experimenting and can handle the technical side, just make sure you understand the potential downsides before spending your money. Thank you for watching this video.